This is Greenhat-Redbeard Adventures. This video is in regards to my new Ultimate Hunter from Cold Steel. This is a folding knife. I've had this knife for roughly about a month or so now, and so far it's been proving to be quite useful and quite effective so far. It's a folding knife, like I said. The locking pin is back here, so you gotta push here as opposed to on the inside to fold it in. So first and foremost, let me just move the camera up a little bit. Get a nice close-up look, the Ultimate Hunter. As you can see, there's a nice notch right there for your thumb for the push it open. This notch can be removed and adjusted to the outside. As you can see, there's a flat head for the screwdriver right there. So this notch here can actually put on the other side, and that goes for the little belt clip as well. As you can see, there's 3 screws right there, and that can be attached on this side too. So whether you're left-handed or right-handed like me, you can use it all the same. That also goes for the nice little finger tab right here, as well as on the other side right here. So no matter which way you're gonna hold it, left hand or right hand, you're gonna have a good, nice, solid grip. This is a, let's see if we can see the marking on there, Cold Steel, CTS XHP Taiwan, made in Taiwan. This is from Cold Steel. The blade length itself is roughly about 3 inches. The handle is roughly about 5 inches, so that gives us a grand total of 8 inches overall length. It's got a nice, excuse me, I can never remember what this is called when you got the little curve on the end there, but it's a nice guard for your fingers. I imagine that's probably the title of it, but it's a nice guard so your fingers don't slip forward onto the blade. As you can see, there's these nice little notches right here for a nice thumb, for your thumb right there. It's very sharp. When I first got it right out of the packaging, it was very, very, very sharp. Also, black is the handle. There's also a bright neon orange handle you can potentially get from Cold Steel. Either way, I prefer black, but orange is nice too, because of the sake if you accidentally drop it, you can easily find it. Alright, so I'm going to put my camera back down for a moment. I'm going to play. This is a fat wood, by the way. So for making these nice feather sticks, it works very nice. It's very, very effective. I love it. Look at that, how beautiful that's coming out. So I'm going to snip that off. There we go. So the reason why I chose to buy this knife was that I actually got a nice positive review from a friend of mine. I was looking for a pocket knife, folding blade, so that way when I'm in certain areas, for example, where it's like literally family friendly and it's like really unnecessary to be carrying around a bush knife on your belt, or inappropriate to be carrying a bush knife on your belt, I wanted to have a nice, good, tough, durable knife, pocket knife, folding knife that I can keep in my pocket with me while I'm out in the hikes in the forest areas, for some of those areas in which it's unsuitable to be carrying or unpractical to be carrying a big bush knife on my belt. A good friend of mine told me about his knife. He let me borrow it for a few days. I played around with it. He had the bright orange one. I played around with it, did some of the same stuff that I'm doing right now, and overall it's been working out really nice. I love it so far. I've made wood shavings with this. Obviously you can't do all the same things as you would with a regular bush knife. You can't baton wood, can't split wood. Some people I know have used the back edge of their blade to use with a ferro rod, but personally I don't do that. I've had too many bad experiences like that where I've actually broken the blade right at the pivot point. So I don't do that anymore. So again, it's up to you and what you want to do, but that's just something that I just don't do myself. So I'm going to make some nice wood shavings here, and I'm going to try to ignite it with my ferro rod. Oh, I didn't have the intention of shooting this video out here today. I actually came out here to cook up some steak, believe it or not. I had a nice juicy steak earlier on, and for those of you who are wondering, yes, this makes an excellent steak knife. So, I'm going to make up some a little bit of wood shavings here. There we go. That should be good enough. I really don't want to use this all up. Like, look how much I've used so far. You know, I don't want to use this up too much. I want to save it. So, let's give that a quick shot with the ferro rod and see if I can get it to ignite for you guys. For the record, I will be sticking around to make sure that this stays out. This is concrete here, by the way. Normally I'd be using the back edge of my blade on a fixed blade knife, but I obviously don't have my fixed blade knife with me. I got this knife here with me instead. Personally, like I said, I'm not a fan of using this knife or any other fixed blade, pocket knife blade to be doing up striking with it. It's just not really good enough for it. This is going to be embarrassing if it doesn't come. If this doesn't light, it's going to be embarrassing. This is fat wood. Come on. I guess you don't really win them all. Honestly, my hands are starting to get tired. There we go. Better late than never, as they say. I got a bottle of water right here with me. This is sorry. Preferred if this didn't go out of control, if you know what I mean. Oh, I'm sorry, just spilt my water over. Great. Just what I need. So, anyways, this knife works out really nice. Ooh, crap. The water's coming on me now. Great. Sorry about that. So all in all, this is a very nice knife. I got it at a place called S&R Knives, located in Etobicoke, Ontario, Canada. It was roughly in the general range of about $160. However, if you go online, if you find the cheaper price, if you go to that store, S&R Knives, and you tell them about the cheaper price online, they'll actually give it to you for the cheaper price online. So I actually got it for roughly about $139.99. So, all in all, great knife, love it. It's not that bad to clean, really. I've only had to clean it about twice, really. You know, because you get the little bit of resin that's on the blade from when you're shaving the fat wood. But all in all, the Ultimate Hunter knife from Cold Steel. It's a really cool knife, love it. Works great so far for me. So. This is Greenhat-Redbeard Adventures. See you around.